केजरीवाल जी के घर से बड़ी सनसनीखेज खबर आ रही है। स्वाति मालीवाल जी जो राज्यसभा की एमपी हैं, अभी अभी उनको अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने अपने पीए वैभव से कह के उनको पिटवाया, उनको साथ मारपिटाई करवाई। ये बात स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने पुलिस को फोन करके जानकारी दी, और जब पुलिस 100 नंबर वाली वहां पहुंचती है तो स्वाति मालीवाल जी कहते हैं मैं रिटर्न में कंप्लेंट बाद में दूंगा। इसके अंदर क्या कुछ हो रहा है, ये मारपिटाई क्यों स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ करवाई गई, एक औरत के साथ इस तरह का क्यों दुर्व्यवहार किया गया, और औरतों के साथ वहां पर क्या क्या मुख्यमंत्री के निवास पे किया जाता है, ये बहुत जल्दी सामने आएंगी बातें जब स्वाति मालीवाल अपनी लिखित में कंप्लेंट देंगी। पर एक बात स्पष्ट है, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी भ्रष्ट भी हैं और औरतों को पिटवाते हैं, जैसे चीफ सेक्रेटरी को घर बुलवा के पिटवाया था, जैसे अपने एमएलए को पिटवाया था। अब स्वाति मालीवाल एक औरत को जो विमेन कमीशन की चेयरमैन रही हों और औरतों की वकालत करती हों, आज वो अपनी जान बचाने के लिए और अपनी इज्जत बचाने के लिए पुलिस को फोन कर रही हैं। आज ये हालात बन गया, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी औरतों के साथ इस तरह का दुर्व्यवहार कर रहे हैं।
Okay, Gini, Gopi is joining us live. Gopi is our correspondent tracking the story. Gopi, where are you right now? Where is Swati Maliwal? She's gone silent, not answering calls. Obviously, there's something more to the story. Otherwise, she would have responded. Kejriwal would have responded. Aam Aadmi Party would have responded. No one's speaking on it. What's going on, Gopi?
Right, I'm standing right outside the Civil Lines police station for now. The former NCW chief and the Rajya Sabha member Swati Maliwal, as we know, has been assaulted at the Chief Minister's residence today, and she had made a call to the PCR. I'm standing here at the police station, and we are still waiting for her to reach here. Few people from here are saying, we are gathering from the sources, that she has already come and she has left without filing a complaint. But we are still waiting for the official confirmation. We need to speak to the Delhi police, and we'll be there with the latest updates as soon as we get something from the police. Back to you.
Right, Gopi, now stay with us. In fact, Soumya is joining us from Kejriwal's residence. Now, Soumya, some serious allegations there by Swati Maliwal. Have we got any word from the Chief Minister's office?
No word from the Chief Minister's office. However, a source from AAP itself has confirmed that this is a fake news, and further confirming whether is Vibhav Kumar. Vibhav Kumar is underground and he won't give a statement until unless he gets a permission from the party high command. The source went on to say that this is a propaganda by the central government, and there's no way that Swati Maliwal has filed any such complaints or anything of this kind has happened. The source went on to say this. As far as Vibhav Kumar's statement is concerned, until unless he doesn't get a confirmation from party high command, he's not going to give a statement on this issue.
Okay, obviously Aam Aadmi Party will try and play that down. If they should give us an official statement, I wonder what's stopping them from giving an official statement. My colleague Shravan was also joining us live from the newsroom. Is Shravan there with us? Okay, Shravan, we'll get him back. But Gopi and Soumya are at the two locations where there is action, or we expect some action there. Civil Lines police station is where she reportedly went this morning. Gopi, is it true that she came there? She came to the station. She was asked to do a medico-legal checkup. When she was asked to do a medico-legal checkup, she refused to do that, or she said she will come back later. Did that happen? Why did she refuse to do that?
See, what we are learning from the sources till now is few of them are of the opinion that she came, she left without filing a complaint. While there's still official confirmation, we are still waiting for the official confirmation so as to what happened. But yes, Swati Maliwal did come here, and she had left the police station a while back. We'll get you the latest updates as soon as we get something.
Okay.
Back to you.
All right. I wonder what changed in 15 minutes, Giri. Once again, going back to that news point, let's put out that graphic that we just had. What changed in 15 minutes? The first call made at 9:15, one person is named, and mysteriously in the second call that is made at 9:30, 15 minutes later from the Chief Minister's residence, the first name is dropped, the second name of Vibhav Kumar is taken. Now, why was another name taken, the first name dropped? And who was that person who was named in the first call? remains a mystery. And if a sitting parliamentarian was assaulted in a chief minister's residence, allegedly, and we're going by claims made, then this is a very, very serious allegation. We'll take a short break. We are tracking the story live from the national capital. On a day when India has gone to polls in 96 seats, there is a dramatic development in Delhi. Back with the live coverage.